Good morning, you guys. Carol here, artist of Only Trees. Boy, I was up this morning nice and early. It was gorgeous out this morning. So I went and took some pictures of some trees that I just finished. I hope you'll enjoy those. And then we'll jump into the next step, packing them up and getting them out to the customers. So good morning. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you on the flip side of these photos. Hey, all my twisted friends. Today is packing day. So I thought I would pop in and show you what I'm up to. I just completed over the past couple of days. This is a reading tree, and it is created for it to hold a glass orb. So this is what I mean by the root systems usually are completely different from what a regular root system would be for on the trees. But I am packing these two trees up, so I thought that I would share this with you. So my packing hat is on, and some of this will be time lapse. And so what did I do to get started for my packing? Of course, I've got my tape gun and scissors, and I have already cut up my cardboard. This is the cardboard part that I use for the base, and then I use a slice of cardboard that will go around the dogwood base that I have here. Also, you know those Christmas wrapping rolls that you get? And you know what? The past few years, they've been changing those up. It's just flimsy cardboard that when you roll out the end of the wrapping tape, it's just a piece of cardboard in these. They don't make them you know, the sturdy ones. So every once in a while, I do find a roll of wrapping paper that has the heavy duty insert. So what I do with those is cut them up to a certain size, and I put them in here just to take up some space. I use that to wrap using more paper, and you know, basically same old thing. So the rest of this will be in a time lapse. Okay, here we go with the paper rolling tape and coffee. Of course, gotta have my coffee. Now that I have this taped up, I have this flap here. So I just take my scissors and I cut the corners of my cardboard. My reason for cutting the corners on the cardboard, it allows me to use a smaller box. Also because I'm using paper, when I wrap this up, the paper doesn't rip. So from that point, I go and tape this side that flaps. And there you go on that. So back to more time lapse. Shoving paper, no, shoving paper, shoving, God, listen to me talk. All right, well, you saw what I did. I put paper underneath the crown of the tree and wrapping it up. Now starting on the second tree, same thing, paper underneath the crown of the tree for the support, small pieces of paper in there, and wrapping up the second tree. So these two trees that I have packed up here, I don't remember if I They're called reading trees, and they're purchased through a website called SPIRITPIECES. I create a few of those wire trees that are on that website, and these two happen to be going through there. So I picked out a cardboard box. The one I picked out is let's see, 11 by 8 by 10. So now is to figure out how how this is going to work out as far as the shipping goes. So back to time lapse. The idea is to see if the trees fit into the box nice and snug. They do, so putting them into plastic bags so that they're easy to take out of the box, putting paper on the top, the paperwork on top, and there we go, ready to be sealed and delivered. Well, I can take off that packing hat and put on that artist hat and say thank you for taking the time to watch. And I hope that maybe you'll pop in on Monday morning this coming week, and I'll do a live stream. And I've been thinking about what maybe I could talk about. And hey guys, I hope you're having an awesome day. It is beautiful here today, so I want to get outside and do some twisting wire outside and get some fresh air and some vitamin D. All right, till then guys, have an awesome day. We will talk soon. Just when I thought I was done, guys, I had to pop back in. I got myself all set up outside and I'm twisting wire and all the clouds rolled in. So before I got too far into my twisting, I put my wire down and went for a short walk. I have to share this with you. It doesn't happen very often, but it did this morning, lunchtime. So here is just a short clip of what I found. And also, if you have the opportunity to stop back in Monday morning around 9 a.m. I will do a live stream and twist wire with friends. All right, guys, do have an awesome day, and we will talk soon. Watch this.